Testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah, my Blue Yeti coming in today. And we're gonna do an unboxing of that. A Blue Yeti X. And they packaged it pretty good. It's like opening a Christmas present. Blue Yeti X. Packaging is pretty good. It's got a big old, I don't want to tear my box up. May, for whatever reason, may have to carry it back. But if it works, I'm not carrying it back. Duty. I won't cut myself. If this thing makes me break my dang box, I'm gonna be upset. Wait a minute. All right. Looks like a box in a box. Now, I guess we get to see what it looks like when we get in here. It's kind of laminated. Type card. Do's and don'ts, and little writing I don't need a magnifying glass for, and you know, just, oh, here's some foam now. Looks like a USB cable. Since how it's a USB microphone, I guess that'd come in handy. All right. It sure do look pretty. Well, dang, that thing, whoa. It's not made of plastic. Man, that thing's like a paperweight. Wow. I like the feel of this thing. Oh man. It just looks bigger when you got it in your hand. That's it. Looks like a little trophy. Welcome, Kmart shoppers. I should say Walmart. Kmart just about done gone away. Welcome, Walmart shoppers. Yes, I really like it. You can, well, this is the back of it. You see it's got blue on it. It's a matte black finish. That's got a textile type feel for it. I think you can it's got different menus you can bring up by doing the clicky on the back. I think it's mute. I ain't sure about that, but anyway, here's the front, and you got your other logo. Anyway, it's actually pretty. So that's all. Well, let's show the bottom. The bottom is not going to scratch the table up, I don't think, because it has this a rubber feel to it. But man, it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The other day, I unboxed my Blue Yeti X, and I've been playing around with it a little bit. I don't know everything about it, but I know enough about it now that it's really fun. I like looking at it. It's just a pretty mic. I'm using it right now. What I was going to do is show you a few things about what it sounds like, and I believe that it will come through over the mic here to y'all. A lot of times I don't hear it. Now I can record myself on this app here that I'm using, and this app is hold on, let me get this out of the way. Logitech G-Hub. You go to Logitech and you can download this thing, and I've got it set on crisp and warm, but you can select bass boost. This is classic radio. You can do FM. And there's a bunch of just regular, you see that check mark, enable blue voice. This enables you to actually pick some presets here. And I haven't went through all these settings, but I do know that you can actually customize your own sound. If you say want to have a particular voice in your games all the time, or a particular voice for a particular game, playing some character or whatever, you can have that. But the one that is really fun, I think, is I'm gonna put this on bass boost, and I ain't real sure how this is gonna come out. I'm just switching buttons, but I believe on y'all's end, y'all will hear these effects. So right here, the effects are off right at the moment. So
let's see what the alien voice sounds like. This should be the alien voice. This should be the wild voice. Testing 1, 2, 3. And this is called DJ Robot.
DJ Robot. DJ Robot. And then you got Demon. And this is, in a weird kind of way, one of my favorites is I think you can actually sing, and it sounds more like you're playing an instrument than anything else. Like, hello, Dolly, or something, if you want to sing a country song, or any something, just sound out something, just, it's just got a weird sound. And then it goes on down through your fishbowl. Electro Beast sounds really cool. But it ain't for me. Then if you want scary shit, you can say, and I don't go through all these, but it's just got so many different ones. But I think if I like Just lost that. 2 of them. It would have to be a light dream.
And I like playing around with Alien. Oh yeah, there's one other one. It's down at the bottom. And this is if you really want to have fun with the kids, I guess.
And this is helium chipmunk. Testing, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So that should have sounded weird. But anyway, I'm going to go up to the top here. This is pretty much, I'm happy with my Yeti.
There it is. It's all. I'm happy with my Yeti. There was another one I was thinking about buying. I can't remember the name of it. But it was yay tall. It looked like a little capsule. It was isolated and all this. And with my little setup right here, it was, it had what they call a pop filter with it. I don't think I need a pop filter. Yeah, I guess it's cool. And if you have a singer in the family, maybe you want to do that just in case. But I think this little a foam piece that goes over it helps. And it's supposedly got a built-in pop filter. But this microphone, it's RGB too. You can set the colors, and on the back where, you've got a button for like, I can't explain it really, but anyway, you can. It's got it's got omnidirectional. In other words, if you want to set it in the middle of the table and you got people sitting around, y'all all talking, you can set it on that. Well, here's the thing: I can't see that well, so I set my colors like green for the one I want, and that's that cordial or whatever they call that. I don't know. In other words, basically, it just catches this in front. Anything behind the mic, it won't do. Also do stereo, but that's all in the manual. And I really like my mic. I mean, I love my mic. It's great. And then you got all these effects, and you can customize. You can even make just make custom sounds yourself, similar to Alien and Wild Voice and Dream and things like that. And you can put them online, to Blue Voice, and people download them. And some of them are very popular, but I think what I have right here is plenty enough. If I feel the need, I want to tweak something, I will. But right now, I'm enjoying my mic, and I know there's a ton of videos out there doing a review on the Blue Voice Yeti X. But this is mine. And so anyway, this will end my video. See you guys later.